Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try this Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel on white and black colors. So first I'm just gonna prep the nails for gel application. Now I'm applying base coat and then I will cure it for 60 seconds. And now I'm just gonna apply 2 coats of gel polishes on both these nails and then cure them. Okay, so now it's time to apply this Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel, and this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. So let's apply it on this black color first. Wow, it's looking so pretty that I just want to cure it like this. But let's just use this magnet to make some beautiful magnetic effects and then cure it. Now it's time to apply the top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so now both of them are done, and I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but I think I like it better on black. Yeah. It's also looking good on white, but I think this Omnipotent magnetic gel polish looks better on dark colors. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.